loved ones. How are you? It's your girl Cece. I'm just me coming at you with another mug banger. Y'all, today I have hip hop chicken. Hip hop, hip to the hip and the hip hop, and you don't stop. I have fried chicken. I had chicken tenders. I had fried chicken. I had fries. I had fried clams. I have macaroni cheese wedges. Yes, and I have um what is it? I'm trying to get this open. Fruit punch. Minute Maid fruit punch. I'm trying to get this stuff open. Y'all already know it's about to go down in a major way. Cause your girl is hungry. Oh, that's the coleslaw. They give you a little coleslaw for free too, y'all. Okay, let me do one of the macaroni cheese wedges, y'all. I thought, oh, that's because I ain't take my sip of drink like I always do. Oh, God. This is so good.
Is it really macaroni and cheese inside of those?
Mm-hmm. I want to. Look at that. That's raw. And it's so good. Let me give y'all a piece of chicken tender. And they chicken is off the chain. You gotta get extra crack on there.
That's what it is too. It's like
We call it extra crack.
powdered salt and seasoning.
This for the fried clams. Yeah, the fried clams, they off the chain. I don't know where I want to start it. Now they chicken is crispy too. Now, it'll be hard to pick. What chicken take the best out of Popeyes and yeah.
Chicken wings?
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to say.
It'd be hard to pick.
Ain't chicken, cause
It'd be hard to pick which chicken would take the best. Or what chicken. Even if it was chicken broth.
well, if Popeyes have that powdered stuff, then
No. I'm just saying in general.
But yeah, hip hop chicken is pretty good.
Let me go. I want to see how people eat the crystal. Let me do this before anything more. That's so good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel and hit that notification bell so you can be aware of what your girl's doing next. And don't forget to share me out, share your girl out, And don't forget to binge watch your girl. Binge watch your girl. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a mama to tell a papa to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, y'all. Push that button. Bing. Now these are the fried clams.
Oh yes.
Let me see if I can open it for y'all.
But what I can say is I definitely noticed a variation between the different hip hop chickens. They're all different. You can find a Popeyes that's more the same than you can find a hip hop chicken that's the same.
That is true
Because I've been to a lot of bad ones. All the stuff I know I liked already didn't taste good.
I've been hip hop chicken I've been through. I like No, I put after crack on it. So, but the one when I used to live over there by West Baltimore, near Mondawmin, that one is popping. They give you extra crack. You don't even have to ask for extra crack seasoning. You want to ask for extra seasoning.
And don't do crack, y'all. Don't do crack.
Right. I gotta stop calling it crack.
No, but it's powdery and it's like powdered salt and seasoning that they put on everything apparently that they fry, including the fries. I didn't catch that cheat code. They put it on the fries too. They don't even salt the fries. So, yeah. It's an addictive powdery substance is what it is.
It is so good.
Yes, indeed.
Macaroni and cheese wedges, it's not fair. Oh, I wish y'all could figure out look at them. Put a little bit and fry them up. When got so perfectly. You don't even need no hot sauce or no ketchup on it. All of it is just banging. I'm gonna take out some. I'm gonna eat it. That don't make no sense. So y'all, if y'all got a hip hop chicken around there, check out the fried clam. So I know a lot of people probably don't buy the fried clam. They probably don't even know about it. They just know about the chicken. And they don't got big chicken either. They got the regular size chicken. So that's another thing.
At least we know that's a regular sized chicken. Because them big old chickens ain't no regular sized chicken.
Or this is a regular size. That's gristle. I hear some people love that. It's so hard. Yeah, y'all be watching mukbangs with people eating gristle. And I be like, how? And they just eat it like it's nothing. Like, so I tried it, but I couldn't swallow it. Yeah, I don't know where to go. I'm just dipping. But this is truly is good, y'all. I need some more. Even the honey mustard is good. And this big chicken breast is too much. Did y'all see that? They cooked it nice and good. Let me see, can y'all hear this crunch? Let me see, I'm gonna be extra. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. I'm trying to get over that cold too. Mm. There we go. Trying to get over that. I can sit down and watch a movie, get a bag of these, and snack on these all day. It's like little bites of like clam. Mm. Mm. I don't never eat fries like that no more. Well, some of this will be my dinner for the night. Y'all know I'm not gonna eat all this. Y'all know I'm gonna give y'all some. After, y'all know. Tell me what y'all want. What y'all want? One of these? I'm gonna find a good one. Mm. Mm. Let me give y'all some fries, cause I'm not gonna eat all them fries. I'm gonna dip it in there. Mm. Mm. I know, I wanted the wings, y'all, today. Oh, on the chicken. I eat the other piece tonight for dinner. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm, mm, mm. And get a couple more pieces of these. Because these are just so good. Okay. Even when you full, you just can't. But your girl is full. I did good. I like 2 chicken tenders. Well, let me make it neat for y'all. So y'all can get y'all's. Because I don't want y'all to make it. Here you go. Okay, go ahead. Have some. Here go all the sauces. Have it, y'all. Y'all can have it. Oh, excuse me. And let me give y'all some coleslaw too here. I ain't even open that. Okay, have some of that too. Y'all. Y'all, thank y'all for coming in here, chilling with me, eating with me. I'm still full. And showing your girl some love. Y'all already know what I'm going to say. I love y'all. I miss y'all.